Hey guys, this video will show you how to create the top of your lantern. So if I go Control Tab and I'll work my way through, so that's the part that we're making. That's what it looks like, and we'll see how quick we can make it. So if I click on New, Standard I'm then going to go Create a New Sketch, select a plane, I'm going to go Rectangle, 2-point center, so it's going to generate from the center, and we're going to make this one 50, tab 50, enter, so 50 by 50 rectangle. Finish the sketch, extruding the thickness of my material, which is 3mm, clicking OK, selecting that top surface, starting a new sketch. Now our cutouts are going to be 10 by 3, and escape, change my rectangle back to a 2-point. I'm just going to go Control Tab and go back, and we'll have a look at our first one and how that's created. So here it is here. So if I look back at my original drawing so I can remember how I did it, started off with my rectangle, and then my first extrusion was on the if I look at it like this, my first extrusion was in the bottom right hand corner, and so I'm just going to do the same thing again so that it all makes sense to me. Bottom right hand corner, and then I rectangular patterned it up. So let's see how we go. Control Tab, I'll find this one here, so I'm going to go rectangle, bottom right hand corner for me, and I'm going to go 10, tab 3, there's my first rectangle. Finish the sketch, extrude and cut, click OK. I'm going to rectangular pattern now. I only select the feature, select my direction by going on an edge, spacing is going to be 20, and I think I'm only going to need 3 of them. There we go, so there's my first one like that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go circular pattern, and like I said in the other video, if you're having trouble selecting the features, rotate your job a little bit, select those features there. My center axis is going to be found like I did when I did the sides. I'm going to hover over these until I find the one that works for me. Now you'll note in the last time I did the Z axis, this time it's the Y axis. That would have to be because I've selected a different work plane. So make sure you have a hover over the top of these axes and select the correct one. So this is the axis going directly through the center of my workpiece. I'm going to want 4 of these, and you'll see that it overlaps each other in the corners, which is perfect because that's going to be exactly how I need it for my job. And I'll click OK, and it's as easy as that. That's that part done. To export this shape over to our laser, or if we were doing this with plasma cutter or whatever, I'm going to left click on it, right click, export face as, and then that's going to give me my DXF, and I'll give it the name of the lid or whatever we're calling this one. So we'll call it the top, top and bottom. So that's how you would do that.